In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color and text in your command prompt. This is a simple but effective way to customize your command prompt experience, making it both visually appealing and perhaps a little more fun to work with. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open the command prompt. You can easily do this by typing cabbed into your Windows search bar and hitting enter. Once the command prompt window is open, take a moment to appreciate the classic black and white look. But we're here to change that, aren't we? The next thing you'll want to do is right-click on the title bar of the command prompt window. This action will bring up a context menu with several options, but don't get overwhelmed. We're looking for something specific. From the context menu, click on Properties. However, if you're using the latest Windows updates, you might see Settings instead. Don't worry, clicking on either will take you to the right place. Once you're in the Settings window, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you should see an option labeled Command Prompt. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're in the area where you can make all sorts of changes to your command prompt's appearance. Look for and click on the Appearance tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to change the font size, style, and most importantly, the color scheme. When you're ready to change the color scheme, you have several choices. You can adjust the background color as well as the text color. This allows you to mix and match to find the combination that best suits your taste, or makes your command prompt easier to read. Maybe you prefer a soft green background with white text, or perhaps a dark blue with yellow text is more your style. The choice is entirely yours. Once you've settled on a new color scheme, make sure to apply the changes. Simply clicking OK or Apply will set your new preferences, and voila! Your command prompt now has a fresh, new look. It's as simple as that. Not only have you customized your workspace, but you've also learned a valuable skill that can help you personalize other parts of your computer experience. And there you have it. Changing the background color and text in command prompt is a quick and easy way to make your computing environment more comfortable and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.